Hey, what's up, my cruisers? In honor of Arizona Bike Week, I'll be uploading some bike videos on my motorcycle when I had it. I believe this video is from 2015, I believe, or 2014. It was a Harley Davidson charity ride out in Mesa all the way to Scottsdale. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and this is from a way back, so the video quality might not be as good, but in honor of Bike Week, I'll be uploading these bike videos all week, so check them out. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Alright.
Hey, my main bitch and my side bitch mad at me. I could give 2 fucks. About to pull me up some Easter pink. I need 2 cups. Roll up, don't say I smoke too much. Roll up, ho, you don't smoke enough. Fall back, ho, you can't go with us. Yeah, you bad, but ho, so what? Too much. Stacking up, though, I got too much. Too much. Fucking on ho, do too much. Too much. Stunning on life, do too much. Too much. They say young nigga do too much. They say young nigga do way too much. Roll dope, get high, and don't say too much. Stacking up, though, they say I make too much. Gotta get money gut like I ate too much. I'm gone. Roll one up and get blown. Over my bitches, they know what's really going on. I guess that's why they both pissed at me. They call themselves tryna play tricks on me. One bitch wanna poke pics of me, and the other one say I act differently. But I could get 2 fucks. All I need is 2 cups to go along with 2 slugs. I don't really want too much. My main bitch and my side bitch mad at me. I could give 2 fucks. About to pull me up some Easter pink. I need 2 cups. Roll up, don't say I smoke too much. Roll up, ho, you don't smoke enough. Fall back, ho, you can't go with us. Yeah, you bad, but ho, so what? Too much. Stacking up, though, I got too much. Too much. Fucking on ho, do too much. Too much. Stunning on life, do too much. Too much. They say young nigga do too much.
The bitch the first night it took it 2 months. Pockets looking fatter than a tumor. Roll for Chris, blue off and your bitches be at school lunch. These jeans start jeans, they too much. Shoes with the wings, they too much. My Versace frames, they too much. And that damn finna do too much. I be bunking so much. I be drinking so much. That don't mean shit. I still smack a bitch if I'm sober. I just met the bitch, but I crushed the bitch like I knew her. I don't hit the club unless they pay us to show up.
My main bitch and my side bitch mad at me. I could give 2 fucks. About to pull me up some Easter pink. I need 2 cups. Roll up, don't say I smoke too much. Roll up, ho, you don't smoke enough. Fall back, ho, you can't go with us. Yeah, you bad, but ho, so what? Too much. Stacking up, though, I got too much. Too much. Fucking on ho, do too much. Too much. Stunning on life, do too much. Too much. They say young nigga do too much.
Probably about to have another threesome. They say I do it too much. It's probably about to be another hit. Fuck another nigga, bitch, do it too much. And I don't even drink lean, but a nigga sippin' 2 cups. Says he just got them done in the booty next. Is she doing too much? I came in with a dub, give a strip of love. Did I throw too much? Oh yeah. Said that she can hang, her and her girls, then the bitch threw up. Oh yeah. Man, I miss the A too much. When I come, I wanna stay too much. All the girls that I love say I play too much. Life full of sin,